In this video I will show you how you can uninstall graphics drivers with DDU. First of all, click on the link in the description and download the application from here. Extract the exe file to the desktop and run it. Click on Extract. Enter the resulting folder and run the exe. Close the resulting window without making any changes. Select the GPU from the right, it will detect the brand automatically. If you are going to install a new video card, press the one at the bottom, and if you are not going to install it, press the button at the top. When the operation is finished, the computer will restart and the drivers will be deleted. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me.